Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E4 Plus, and today I'll show you how to add or remove the Google account from your device. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from here scroll down to Accounts, so it's right here, and then tap on Add Account. Now make sure you're connected to network, which as you can see I am. Without the network you won't actually be able to do this at all. So let's just tap on Google. And from here you can sign in. Now if you want to sign in but you don't have an account, you can always create one right here. But I already have, so I can log in with it. Like so. Let's just tap on next. Then I'm gonna put in the password for it, so let me do that off the camera. And then let's tap on next. Choose I agree to the terms of service. Tap on more and accept. And there is your account. So that is how you add it. And to remove it, all you need to do is just tap on the Google account that you have added previously. And see at the bottom, nope, it's gonna be here. When you tap on the three dots, you have the remove account option. Just tap on it and remove account once more. Are you sure? Oh, yep. Confirm with the pattern if you have some set. If you don't have any kind of protection on your device, it will just remove it without prompting you with anything. But because I have pattern and fingerprint, I need to actually confirm it. And there it is, now it's gone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.